Chapter 9. Modifying Spreadsheet. Learning Objectives. After completing the chapter, students will be able to insert, rename and delete a worksheet, insert and delete columns, rows and cells, resize columns and rows, merge cells, split cells, fill cells by using AutoFill handle. In the previous chapter, you have learned how to enter and edit the data in the Excel worksheet. Now, let us move forward to learn different operations that can be performed on the Excel worksheets. Inserting a new worksheet. In Excel, by default, a workbook appears with a single worksheet. According to your requirement, you can add more worksheets in a workbook. Method 1. To insert a new worksheet, follow the given steps. 1. Open the workbook in which you want to insert a new worksheet or create a new one. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the drop-down arrow of the Insert option in the Cells group. A list of options appear. 4. Click on the Insert Sheet option in the list. A new worksheet will be inserted in the active workbook. Notice Sheet 2 in the Sheet tab. Method 2. Click on the New Sheet in the Sheet tab. A new worksheet gets inserted. Shortcut key. Press Shift plus F11 to insert a new worksheet. Renaming a worksheet. In Excel, you can change the name of worksheet as per your choice. Method 1. To rename a worksheet, follow the given steps. 1. In the workbook, open the worksheet which is to be renamed. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the drop-down arrow of the Format option in the Cells group. A list of options appear. 4. Click on the Rename Sheet option. The Sheet tab will be opened in the Edit mode. 5. Type the new name of the worksheet. After typing the name, press the Enter key. Method 2. 1. Double-click on any Sheet tab to open it in the Edit mode. 2. Type the desired worksheet name. Deleting a worksheet. In Excel, unwanted worksheet can be easily removed. There are two methods. Method 1. To delete a worksheet, follow the given steps. 1. In a workbook, open that worksheet which you want to delete. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the drop-down arrow of the Delete option in the Cells group. 4. Click on the Delete Sheet option. A confirmation box appears. 5. Click on Delete if you want to delete the worksheet. The worksheet will be deleted from the workbook. Or 6. Click on Cancel to abort the operation of deletion. The worksheet will not be deleted. Method 2. To delete a worksheet, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on the Sheet tab. A context menu appears. 2. Click on the Delete option. A confirmation box appears. 3. Click on Delete option to delete that particular worksheet. Inserting column or columns, row or rows and cell or cells in worksheet. In Excel, column or columns, row or rows and cell or cells can easily be inserted in the worksheet if required. Inserting a column in worksheet. To insert a column, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the column header before the one where you want to insert a new column. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the Insert option in the Cells group. 4. Click on the Insert Sheet Columns option. A new blank column will be inserted in the worksheet before the selected column. Inserting a row in worksheet. To insert a row in the worksheet, follow the given steps. 1. Click the row header before one where you want to insert a new row. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the Insert option in the Cells group. 4. Click on the Insert Sheet Rows option. A new blank row will be inserted in the worksheet before the selected row. Info bits. You can also insert a column or row by following the given steps. 1. Right-click on the column header or row header before which you want a new column or row. A context menu appears. 2. Click on the Insert option. A new column or row gets inserted. Inserting a cell in worksheet. Apart from inserting rows or columns, you can insert a cell or a range of cells. To insert a cell, follow the given steps. 1. Select the cell where you want to insert a new cell. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the Insert option in the Cells group. 4. Click on the Insert Cells option. The Insert dialog box appears. 5. Click on the required options. Shift cells right. It shifts the selected cell to right to insert a new cell. Shift cells down. It shifts the selected cell down to insert a new cell. Entire row. It shifts the entire row. Entire column. It shifts the entire column. 6. Click on OK button. A cell will insert in the worksheet according to your selection. Deleting column or columns, row or rows, and cell or cells in worksheet. The column or columns or row or rows and cell or cells can be deleted if it is not required in the worksheet. Deleting a column or multiple columns. To delete a column or multiple columns, follow the given steps. 1. Open the worksheet in which you want to delete a column or create a new one. 2. Select the column or columns which is or are to be deleted. 3. Click on the Home tab. 4. Click on the Delete option in the Cells group. 5. Click on the Delete Sheet Columns option. The selected column or columns will be deleted from the worksheet. Deleting a row or multiple rows. To delete a row or multiple rows, follow the given steps. 1. Open the worksheet in which you want to delete a row or create a new one. 2. Select the column or columns which is or are to be deleted. 3. Click on the Home tab. 4. Click on the Delete option in the Cells group. 5. Click on the Delete Sheet Rows option. The selected row or rows will be deleted from the worksheet. Info bits. To delete a row or column, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on that particular row or header or column header which is to be deleted. A context menu appears. 2. Click on the Delete option. The particular row or column will get deleted. Deleting a cell or a range of cells in worksheet. To delete a cell or a range of cells in worksheet, follow the given steps. 1. Select the cell or a range of cells that you want to delete. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the Delete option in the Cells group. 4. Click on the Delete Cells option. The Delete dialog box appears. 5. Select any one of the following options. Shift cells left. It deletes the selected cell and shifts the rest of the cell or cells towards left. Shift cells up. It deletes the selected cells and shifts the rest of cell or cells up. 6. Click on OK button. The selected cells will be deleted from the worksheet. Resizing column or columns, width and row or rows, height in worksheet. Sometimes we need to modify the size of a cell because data may not fit in a standard cell's width and height. Resizing column or columns width. To change the width of column or columns, follow the given steps. 1. Select the column or columns in the worksheet. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the Format option in the Cells group. A drop-down list of options appear. 4. Click on the Column Width option. The Column Width dialog box appears. 5. Change to the required column width. 6. Click on the OK button. The column width will be changed accordingly. Resizing row or rows height. To change the height of rows or row, follow the given steps. 1. Select the row in the worksheet. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. click on the Format option. In the Cells group, a drop-down list appears. 4. Click on the Row Height option. The Row Height dialog box appears. 5. Type the value for height. 6. Click on OK. The height of selected rows will get changed. Info bits. You can also increase and decrease the cell width and height by dragging the column and row boundary respectively. Merging cells. The two or more adjacent cells are merged horizontally or vertically to make a larger single cell. When you merge cells, the content of only one cell appears in the merged cell. To merge the cells, follow the given steps. 1. Select two or more than two cells which are to be merged. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the Merge and Center button in the Alignment group. A list of options appear. 4. Click on the Merge and Center option. The selected cells will be merged to get a single large cell. 5. Enter the required data in the merged cell. The entered data will appear in the middle of the merged cells. Splitting cells. The cells are split to break a merged cell into multiple cells. To split a merged cell, follow the given steps. 1. Select the merged cell in the worksheet. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the Merge and Center button in Alignment group. A list of options appear. 4. Click on the Unmerge Cells option. The cells will be splitted and the content appears in the cell at the upper left corner. Filling cells by using AutoFill handle. The AutoFill handle Excel allows you to quickly fill a range of cells with the same type of data or with the data that follows a pattern series without typing it. Filling cells with same type of data. To fill cells with same type of data, follow the given steps. 1. Type a value in a single cell and select it if you want to fill the same value in the cells. 2. Bring the cursor on the lower right position of the cell. 3. Drag the fill handle to enclose the area where you want to fill. The same data will appear in cells automatically. Filling cells with a pattern of data. To fill cells with a pattern, follow the given steps. 1. Type first two values in two adjacent cells to form a series. 2. Select both the cells and take the mouse pointer on the lower right position. Cursor will be changed in fill handle shape. 3. Drag the fill handle to enclose the area where you want to fill. The series will appear in cells automatically according to first two numbers. Examples of using fill handle. Summary. In Excel, you can add or delete worksheets in a workbook. The worksheet can be renamed in Excel in two ways. You can select a complete row or column by clicking on the row header or column header respectively. In the Home tab, the Format option of Cells group is used to access the column width and row height options. You can increase and decrease the width of column or height of row by dragging the column or row boundary respectively. The two or more adjacent cells are merged horizontally or vertically to make a larger single cell. The cells are split to break a merged cell into multiple. The AutoFill handle is used to quickly fill a range of cells with the same type of data or with the data that follows a pattern or series without typing it.